In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the Mozilla Firefox mobile browser is not working on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button. And then you want to select the Apps tile on this list. Go ahead and select that. And select where it says See All Apps. You want to now go down to the Firefox app on this list and select it, and then select where it says Storage and Cache. Select that, and then select the Clear Cache button, and then attempt to relaunch Firefox, and the issue should be resolved. You can come back in here and clear the storage as well, which is effectively factory resetting Firefox back to default. Again, if you're still having a problem, you can come back in and do that. Most of the time, it should not be necessary. Just clearing the cache and relaunching should be sufficient. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.